So, hi guys! Magkain natin ng candy. Buha lang. Tanawa to ang last ito na video. Candy time. Karon ba ko natutuog candy guys? Wala akong kasi ni Samantha ba? Jadi kubos kikip kubos.
I don't know. Hey girl, you want to Bombaya?
Shut up please.
Thank me. You will thank me later.
Mag-excuse lang to filter bilan kita noon. Okay na yung filter guys. You make me cry into ocean. Wala lagi filter.
Why is there new filter? It's like you dying and me.
I'm scared green eyes.
Hey girlie, why you gone for 10 days? Did you do Bombaya with your teacher?
Shut up your mouth please.
Did you finally? Did you Bombaya more cluster?
No.
I thought you Bombaya that guy because you said you love him.
And did you Bombaya Madeline? Ting, 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 ting.
No.
Why did you shut up?
No.
You do Bombaya to him. It means to pretty sour.
It's pretty sour. Mura lagi ka diva, but you're not a diva.
Shut up please.
You're a pick-me!
Shut up. I'm pick me girl.
Oh nga, I'm calling the real diva. Diva,
Ako very diva sa sound.
Hey diva, there's a pick-me.
Shut up your mouth.
There's a pick-me. Please help.
Shut up or I will drink your milk.
Green my milk?
Your poop.
You're gonna green my poop?
Shut up your face.
Shut up, you pick-me.
Shut up your very butt. You're pooping right now.
No, this girl doesn't know how to roast. Because she's
Bye guys,
because
part
I
2.
roasted her butt.